Hey y'all, I'm back. My what is this called? My May Lindstrom just came in. She always have a nice little package. So I got my jasmine garden. I got a pendulum potion for free. I got a honey mud. I did order the honey mud. I didn't think I ordered it. She gave me a brush for free. And then this must be a free, came free with it as well. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a, what is this? This is like a little collection, sample collection of her products. So you got the Youth Dew, you got the Pendulum Potion, you got the Jasmine Garden, you got the Problem Solver, Honey Mud, Blue Cocoon, and Clean Dirt. But I did order, I was gonna say, I know I ordered the Blue Cocoon, so I got my Blue Cocoon, Honey Mud. This was free, this was free, and this was free. And I got the Jasmine Garden. I did have a free, a $50 when you order from May Lindstrom's, you get a cash credit towards your future orders. And so I ordered over the holidays, and I got a $50 credit to apply towards my future order. So I did apply that towards this. Without the $50, it was like $250 something. With the $50, it was like $205 or something like that. And once you spend, I believe it's over $150, you get free shipping, and it comes by UPS. But this is so nice. And then she gives you a book, and this her presentation is top notch. So she gives you a book talking about her products in this and how to use them, I would assume. But this is nice how this came together. Yeah, I love May Lindstrom and her stuff. You may live in an area that has a clean beauty or green beauty store that sells May Lindstrom. I would suggest ordering from online because you get to get like free products and more perks. But if she's not running anything and you just want to try her stuff and get it quickly, then you can go on to your green clean beauty store. But they're not going to have everything like with the blue cocoon. I don't believe they sell the smaller sizes in the clean green beauty store. So I think certain things you just have to go to May Lindstrom to get. So, and I don't have to drive all the way to Scottsdale. I'll just wait for it to come. She ships pretty quickly. So yeah, this is my May Lindstrom order right here. And I'm happy that that came. Now, on the other hand, as part of my holiday, I went and picked up, Jo Malone now sells all over body sprays. They only had them in certain fragrances. So I love their Myrrh and Tonka, so I got the Myrrh and Tonka. And then this is for my husband, the Cypress and Grapevine body spray. This smells good as well. I was surprised that I did like it. But yeah, I think they're like $70 if I'm not mistaken. So you could go get the body cream and then get the body spray and you be smelling good. I did hear that their perfumes sometimes tend to last long. Maybe it depends on the scent, but I do know they body creams, the scent throws like nobody's business, and it's cheaper than if you would go and buy the perfume probably. So I have to go get me another Myrrh and Tonka because I ran out. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the all over body sprays that Jo Malone now sells. If you don't know that they started selling the body sprays. All right, please give me a thumbs up on the way in. Leave me a comment. Are you interested in green and clean beauty? I just think when it comes to green and clean beauty, you get better ingredients. Some green and clean beauty companies can tend to be expensive, And when they are that expensive, that means they're using exceptional ingredients. They're getting their ingredients from sustainable farms and everything, and they're not using all of the common ingredients that you would find in cleansers or whatever. They're just more clean. That's why they call clean beauty green beauty. And some go above, what they should when it comes to getting their ingredients. They find farmers that stand with their beliefs when it comes to ingredients. So I do have a face care, playlist that shows a lot of the companies that I've used over the years, and they come, some are less expensive, some are reasonable, and some are very pricey. So that's what I wanted to tell y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video.